Voila! Your dream vacation to Turkey starts from rupees 79,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
तो आपको ये लगता है कि कभी-कभी does it feel that अच्छा ये कैरेक्टर माचो नहीं है, I should do more like because आजकल जो there is a lot of emphasis on producers and I've seen this at least South में कि like when people show a script a lot of directors have told me कि the producers tell them इसमें heroism नहीं है, हीरो को और थोड़ा माचो बनाओ like that kind of thing. That's never been part of your calculation.
I know now that आजकल ये बहुत है कि हीरो बनाओ, larger than life दिखाओ, पैन इंडिया बनाओ. ये मेरे को लगता है मेरे को अपना कैरेक्टर देखना है. मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. मैंने बहुत फिल्में ऐसे की हैं जिसमें मेरा बहुत छोटा छोटा रोल भी है. But I like the whole. See, I look at cinema that this is a great film to be associated with. I look cinema in a different way. I want to be a part of this bus. I want to be a part of this film because it is such a good film. And even if I have 5 days role also, I've done films, many films like that.
Right.
Many films like that, which I have a small part, but the film is good, and I just do it.
So you don't want to become this pan Indian star. अब तो हो पर एक that type of pan Indian star.
मैं अपने हिसाब से फिल्में करते जा रहा हूँ. मैं इतना नहीं सोचूंगा कि अभी मेरे को सिर्फ पैन इंडिया फिल्म ही करना है. मेरे को अगर कोई पहले तो मेरे को ये बहुत मुश्किल है समझना कि व्हाट इज पैन इंडिया. अभी तक मैं खुद ही वो समझ रहा हूँ कि व्हाट इज पैन इंडिया. What is pan India?
See, actually it's a very tough thing because in a way the Drishyam concept is also pan India because वो पहले मलयालम में बना था. Then it became whatever Hindi, Tamil, all the languages it was
No, I
it
don't
was
think
made.
the pan India is this कि आप
No, but
what is a pan India hero?
आजकल सब लोग बोलते हैं.
हाँ, what is
See, but
pan
बाहुबली के बाद the concept of that एक फिल्म जो है ईस्ट से वेस्ट तक, नॉर्थ से साउथ तक, it just becomes everybody watches
So
it.
how do you decide that?
वो ऑडियंस डिसाइड करते हैं ना.
तो मैं जब फिल्म साइन करता हूँ तो मुझे कैसे मालूम कि ये और सब चारों जगह जाएगी?
Probably scale probably.
Scale से?
हाँ.
Is it because of scale?
Or maybe because the emotions are universal. See, because I felt that 2.0, for instance, is a fairly pan-India kind of film because the big, like it's
You
a...
again, I mean, so you are saying it because of scale. I don't think so. The word pan India came because of the scale. कि कितना पैसा अंदर डालेगा तो pan
No,
India
I'm
बन
saying
जाएगा.
आजकल यही बोलते हैं.
हाँ
हाँ.
वो तो गलत हो जाता है.
हाँ. तो आपके हिसाब से क्या है?
मेरे को तो मालूम भी नहीं है. मैं तो आपको बोल रहा हूँ मेरे को तो मालूम ही नहीं है पैन इंडिया है क्या. आपको नहीं लगता फिल्म को फिल्म की तरह करना चाहिए?
वो तो है.
फिल्म को हम ये सोच के अब करना शुरू कर देंगे कि ये इसका बिजनेस पैन इंडिया होएगा और मुझे पैन इंडिया हीरो बनना है, तो फिर हम फिल्म क्या कर रहे हैं? फिर तो हम बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ही कर रहे हैं काम.
पर फिल्म तो हाफ आर्ट और हाफ कॉमर्स है ही ना.
कॉमर्स है.
हाँ.
कॉमर्स है तो वैसे तो मुंजा भी तो कॉमर्स के हिसाब से वो कौन सा पैन इंडिया थी? ऐसा तो ओ माय गॉड मैंने बनाया. मेरा तो सर 10-12 दिन का ही रोल था. बहुत ही मेरे को तो कई लोगों ने गाली दी. बोला हाउ कैन यू मेक अ मूवी ऑन सेक्स एजुकेशन? आई एम नॉट सेइंग द नेम्स एंड ऑल, आई एम सेइंग बट Akshay, how can you make a film on sex education? And why not? Don't you think so? We have 1.4 billion people. We require sex education more than any other country. And these are all educated people talking about it. A little bit. That was a very amazing trip which I went through about making Oh My God.
Right.
But I was very proud to make that.
No, Akshay, a lot of actors, like you yourself said, you've had number of hits in a row and then number of films that did not work in a row. Everybody has that, right? But do you think because you are one of the top stars, do you think the scrutiny is higher on someone like you?
Yeah, but yeah, it is there. It is there. People love seeing it when 3, 4, 5 films doesn't work.
People love seeing it. What does that mean?
People love seeing it.
People in the industry.
Yeah. That I have seen it myself.
मतलब people are happy कि अक्षय की picture.
ये picture नहीं, इनका नहीं picture चला. The other people are happy. So this is there is like मैं आपको एक छोटा सा किस्सा सुनाता हूँ. I would name the channel. So I was walking. अभी recently बात है. So I was walking on the red carpet. So you know a lot of channels are there. So they are asking it. तो एक चैनल वाले ने मेरे ऊपर ऐसा रखा, अक्षय जी आपकी लास्ट 4 फिल्में नहीं चली, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? तो मैं उसको देखा, तो और मैं उसका चैनल लिखा होता है, उसका माइक पे लिखा होता है। मैं बोला बेटा वैसा ही लग रहा है जैसा तेरा चैनल नहीं चलता है, वैसा ही लग रहा है मेरे को। इट वॉज सो एम्बैरेसिंग फॉर हिम। देन मैं चला गया, देन ही स्टार्टेड टेलिंग ए ये क्वेश्चन डालना नहीं किधर भी किधर। आई हैव सीन दिस हैपन अबाउट फिल्म्स नॉट रनिंग। आई थिंक everybody should just keep on working hard. Films not doing well, films doing well, it's beside the point. And that is what I have followed. My father has taught me that ki beta just keep on working, be honest to your work, concentrate on your work, focus on your work. Lot of people will come and give you lot of advices about things. You follow your own instinct, you follow your own self, you go straight. And always, this is what my godfather taught me, Mr. Pramod Chakravarti, who gave me my first break. Few things he taught me, which I am telling you, so that people who are newcomers can listen, and if they want to follow it, that always be a producer's man. Whatever the producer goes through, go with him, and also take his pain with. A lot of times, a producer goes in a very big loss. So be a producer's man, stand with him, be along with him, and then go ahead with it.
Now, coming back to the acting part, is there a method that you said that every director has their own way of extracting a performance from you, but from your point of view, when you read a script, when you approach a scene, is there something different that you do to approach a comic scene versus, let's say, a dramatic scene? Is there a zone that you have to get into?
I just follow my director and the writer.
Right.
So there are every different directors, they right. So I tell him to read. I don't read my script.
Ah,
What I do is I tell them, you read it.
that's brilliant. Okay.
You read it, you read it, you read it. Because what happens is, if I start reading it, then I will read the way I read.
In your voice.
In my voice.
हाँ.
So I make, अभी मैं आपको बोलूँगा, आप ये स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ दो ना, आपने लिखा ये, आप पढ़ो ना. So मैंने कई बार देखा है, then you start acting like him. That means I get a different way. I start acting like the director, what the director wants. So
Right.
it becomes easy for me to follow him.
Right.
So he's also happy, I'm also happy, because I'm getting a different way of approach of doing that scene. Because if I start reading it, I'll have the same approach.
Right.
Because I know only one approach as an actor. Every actor has one approach.
Right.
And that is why if there's a mimicry artist, he can copy that actor because he has only one approach.
Right. So what happened in Surfera then? That did you ask?
Yeah.
Huh.
We had at least about 45 to 50 times we had readings
Of the whole script?
of the whole script.
Wow.
We have read, we have gone through it. And that process is in every film.
But readings हर एक फिल्म में होते हैं?
हाँ.
अच्छा.
Every film. इसमें 40 से 50 बार हम तो when I was shooting for Ram Setu, that time in Due, me, Sudha, Pooja, the person who's written the film, and Vikram Malhotra, we have read that time only about 10 to 15 times. That time only we read it in 4-5 days.
So when you say reading, you mean you all sit around a table
Sit
and read the
around,
characters?
Yeah, talk. So she will keep on reading. Pooja will read, and then you start absorbing.
Okay. So that helps you get into the character better.
Much better.
Right.
Much better, and in a different way.
Right.
Not as an Akshay Kumar. You get it as a Pooja,
Right.
who was my writer.
Right.
So you start getting it as a different person.
Right. Let's do a bit of nostalgia. Your first day of shoot was on a Mahesh Bhatt film called Aaj. What was that like? What did you do on your first day of shoot?
Have you seen that?
I have not seen that. That is one Mahesh Bhatt film. I love Mahesh Bhatt. This is a film that I have not seen. I know it has Kumar Gaurav, it has, there's a big cast.
Do you know what was Kumar Gaurav's name in the film?
What?
Akshay. That's how I got my name. I took my name, not many people know about it. I took my name, real name is Rajiv.
Yeah.
But that film I worked, तो मैं ऐसे ही पूछा ये हीरो का नाम क्या है पिक्चर में? अक्षय. मतलब मेरे को अपना नाम अक्षय करने का.
क्यों राजीव अच्छा नाम है?
हाँ अच्छा नाम है.
और राजीव कपूर and all that.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं.
हाँ.
And that time I think Rajiv Gandhi was
हाँ.
the prime minister.
हाँ.
So I think
हाँ.
Rajiv was a great name. But ऐसे ही.
Just a impulse.
कुछ वो नहीं है, कोई मेरे को पंडित ने किसी ने नहीं बोला
हाँ.
कि करना है, ऐसे ही मन किया कि अरे यार, my father also asked me what's wrong with you. No, my first film I did, उसमें हीरो का नाम अक्षय था. So I said, if you see आज फिल्म में अक्षय है उसका नाम.
Right. So what was your first day of shoot like?
So my first day of shoot in that film, I have done exactly 13 seconds role.
Okay.
I come there, the heroine of the film, I teach her martial art. I start a small little fight, which is last about 13 to 14 seconds. Because Mahesh Bhatt wanted to show that she also knows martial art. And she hits me, and I fall down, and I bow down, and I leave. That was my first, and which got over in 25 minutes, the whole shooting.
Right. That's all there is, because I googled it up and I just saw this very small clip.
Yeah.
So I thought it's
उतना ही है
like there's a
clip.
bigger thing and it's
उतना ही है.
उतना ही है.
उतना ही है. उतना ही है.
Acha. You know, speaking of Mahesh Bhatt, he said, I don't make films for Oscars. I make films for Indian audiences. आपका philosophy क्या है?
Yeah. मेरा भी वही है कि we make film for the audience, and we make film for ourselves also, and we drive what we want to give the audience.
Right.
Because I feel, again, it's my audience also doesn't know what they want.
Right.
I want to try and give them something different. Lot of time, lot of directors or lot of producers, a lot of writers also tell me, but you know, आजकल ये चल नहीं रहा है. मैं बोला क्यों? क्योंकि बोलते हैं audience is not ready for it. Who said audience is not ready? If we give them, then only they will get ready. I'll tell you, this happened with me in Mission Mangal. I was making a film on how the rocket reached Mars. I'm talking about orbit, I'm talking about Mars, I'm talking about velocity, the words which a lot of people will not understand. I still remember, a lot of people said, my own people said, don't make this film because nobody is going to understand. I said, if you don't take risk, if you don't teach them, if you don't give them something different, how would they know? They don't know what they want.
Yeah.
You have to give them. You have to give them. It is like our Sachi. He doesn't go out thinking कि कौन सा कपड़ा किसको ऐसा स्टाइल अच्छा लगेगा, let's give. He comes out with the style. You go to this thing and you say, अरे ये नया स्टाइल आया. Let me see. Audience doesn't know. You to give it to them.
Right.
And it is your luck whether they will like it or not like it. Lot of people say, you know, we should give what audience wants. I say we should give what we want, and let the audience decide whether they like it or not. Give them new.
But वो जो risk आप ले रहे हो, उसकी भी एक सीमा है क्या?
हाँ है ना.
हाँ.
कई बार मिशन मंगल 250 करोड़ का धंधा किया.
हाँ.
उनको सबको अच्छा लगा. They believed that how 6 women took the rocket to Mars, and obviously with lots of other people also.
Right.
It's all about believing.
Right.
I want to play this game all the time. I want to do different thing. Now, my next film after Sarfira, which is Khel Khel mein, it's अभी मैं इधर ज़्यादा बोल नहीं सकता उसके बारे में. It's a complete different. Maybe after the camera I switch it off and I can sit and tell you about it. But it's completely different.
Right.
I want to just not get bored. You know, for that 8 years, I kept on doing action. मेरे दिमाग में action चढ़ गया था, and I didn't want to do it. And I said, this is the last time I'm going to commit this mistake of just sticking to one genre. Like yesterday, there was a trial, and one girl from the media, she's a dear friend of mine, she came and said, I always want to see you like this. You should do this kind of intense role. I said, no, my darling. I want to not do this again. I want to do something else now.
Yeah.
Then after that, I want to do something else then. I remember it. When I used to do one thing continuously, people like you only told me, क्या यार तू वही चीज बार बार कर रहा है. I have to change. I myself will get bored with it. That's
Right.
it.
Right. एक ज़माना था when we were younger, you know, there were actors like Dharmender, Jitendra, Amitabh Bachchan, who used to do 10 movies a year. Manmohan Desai and all had 3-4 releases a year and they were all blockbusters because movie going was the only thing they didn't mind. ना मैं इस हिसाब से पूछ रहा हूँ कि see now movie going is one among many options. Where does overexposure, do you believe in that term overexposure?
आप मेरे को गारंटी दे सकते हैं कि मैं 2 साल में एक पिक्चर करूंगा तो वो चलेगी?
नहीं दे सकता.
बहुत लोगों ने किया है, चली?
नहीं.
वो कोई गारंटी नहीं है, कोई गारंटी. और मैंने कई लोगों को ये भी देखा है कि उन लोगों ने बहुत अपने आप को वो किया, वो फिल्म नहीं चलती, उसके बाद 1.5 साल तक एक कोई भी फिल्म नहीं मिलती. Am I right or
Yeah,
wrong?
yeah, you're right.
As we said, it is all about doing films with commerce also and what you want to give the audience, what you want to relay the audience. It's creativity and commerce mixed together.
Right,
So I have to think of the commerce also.
right.
As you were right, I mean, say, a lot of people say that you do 4 films a year, overexposure. But sir, what else to do? I've seen people who are not overexposing also. फिल्म नहीं चलती. सिर्फ फिल्म का सब यही है सर. बच्चन साहब कब से काम कर, उनसे ही मैंने सीखा. अक्षय काम करते रहना बेटा. मुझे खुद उन्होंने बोला अक्षय काम करते रहना, काम को मत छोड़ना, काम आता है करते रहना, किसी का बात मत सुनना, किसी का बात मत सुनना. ऑडियंस जो है वो अच्छी फिल्म लगेगी ना वो लेगी, वो तेरे से लेगी. ऑडियंस बहुत स्मार्ट है. ये ओवर एक्सपोजर, ये 4 फिल्म मत करना, ये साल में 2 साल में 3 साल में
ये
एक ही पिक्चर
calculations
करना,
अगर-
ये कैलकुलेशन करना, ये सोचना. मैंने ये भी देखा है कि 2 पिक्चर रेडी होएगा, नहीं ये पिक्चर ज़्यादा अच्छा है, भले एक्चुअली दिस मूवी शुड रिलीज बट पीपल डू व्हाट इज ट्राई एंड ब्रिंग दिस फिल्म अहेड. मुंह का बल गिरता है और फिर जो फिल्म तुमको नहीं अच्छा लगता वही फिल्म चलता है. कैलकुलेशन is wrong. Manipulation is wrong. Honesty is right. Creativity, be with it right. Believing in your luck is right. This is what I learned. Sir,
Right.
you must be having a different viewpoint of it.
ऐसा नहीं है. I believe in what you said कि like you talked about instinct, like that bell that goes off.
Yes, sir.
That's the only guarantee
That
you
is-
have. It's like
Kuch
you know,
nahi.
yeah.
You are trying to give a different thing. Sarfira is a different thing which I loved it. I went with it.
Right. In these 3+ decades, is there anything that Akshay Kumar wishes he'd done a little differently? काश मैंने ये की होती, काश मैंने ये किया होता, like anything like that?
जिंदगी में कुछ लोग ऐसे टकरा जाते हैं जो आपको एक अच्छी फीलिंग नहीं देते. कुछ गलत लोग होते हैं तो इन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के अंदर. तो मैं यही सोचता हूँ, आई डोंट वांट टू चेंज एनीथिंग ऑफ माय फिल्मोग्राफी और एनीथिंग, बट कुछ ऐसे गलत लोगों से मुलाकात हो जाती है जो मैं ये सोचता हूँ कि काश ये नहीं हुआ होता. बस इतना ही.
बस उतना ही.
बस.
But as the films themselves, this film I should not have done, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं.
Yeah.
जो मेरे को हर फिल्म ने सिखाया ही है. एक बुरा फिल्म ने यही सिखाया कि बुरा फिल्म नहीं करना. एक अलग अलग फिल्म ने अलग अलग एक चीज दिया समझने के लिए.
Right. So again, talking about media, आपने मीडिया वाले के बारे में बात किया आपने. There is this perception out there कि अक्षय कुमार likes to wrap up his films early. But Sudha and Vikram Malhotra, your producer, told me something very different about Sarfraz. They said that you said, let's do this, and you gave them all the time that they wanted. So which is the truth?
See, I work 8 hours a day.
Huh.
I personally feel you're in front of a camera. The camera catches each and every pore,
Right.
each and every ring, everything it catches, each and every emotion. After 8 hours, the body gets tired. There are 24 hours. You need 8 hours of sleep. I lead a very disciplined
Yeah,
life.
yeah.
Your body requires 8 hours of sleep. You need 2 hours to eat. You need 2 hours of workout. You need some few hours to spend with your family. And then after that 8 hours, तो बचते कितने? 8 hours के अंदर you can ask Sudha or anybody. I never go to my vanity van. Once I'm on set, I just want to be there. And just till he says pack up, unless until I want to go to the washroom. That's it. About wrapping up fast. मैं तो किसी को लात मार के नहीं बोलता चल जल्दी कर खत्म. Films happen and it gets over fast. There's a film which is called Mission Impossible. It's one of the best action film made by Tom Cruise.
Right.
सर कितना दिन शूटिंग किया उसने उसमें आपके हिसाब से?
I think quite a long time.
सर 55 days.
वो पहला वाला
नहीं कोई भी,
वो
लास्ट वाला भी.
अच्छा
बाकी फिल्म का शूटिंग चलता है डुप्लीकेट के साथ या जो भी है. बिगेस्ट एक्शन फिल्म ऑन दिस मिशन इम्पॉसिबल 55 दिन शूटिंग किया. एवरी डे उन लोग करीबन 1.5 से 2 मिनट का शूटिंग करते.
हाँ ऑफ फिल्म या
Of a film.
ऑन स्क्रीन
Edited
हाँ
version.
या
सर आप कैलकुलेशन लगा लो. सर मैं कुछ फिल्म है जिसका 75 डेज भी लगता है, कुछ फिल्म है जिसका 30 डेज लगता है. जितना वो डायरेक्टर मांगेगा मैं उतना देते हैं. पीपल हैव दिस रॉन्ग, पीपल नो दे हैव गिवन इट टू द पीपल इन अ रॉन्ग वे.
हाँ तो क्यों देते हैं ये? द परसेप्शन ऐसा क्यों है?
I don't want to get into the detail of it, who started it.
अच्छा no I'm not asking for gossip.
No.
हाँ.
Because it starts from somewhere.
हाँ
It starts from somebody who doesn't like you.
okay
कि let's find out one or two things. So it starts like that. अभी इसी चीज को आप पहले ले लो. पहले आता था कि यार इसके साथ फिल्म चालू करो, खत्म हो जाती है. और जब फिल्म मेरा 17-18 फिल्म चल रहा था, मैन कम्स ऑन टाइम गोज ऑन टाइम. फिल्म खत्म, पिक्चर रिलीज, 8 महीने के 9 महीने के अंदर इट सीज द डे ऑफ रिलीज. अभी जब नहीं चलता है ये पिक्चर को टाइम नहीं देता है. सो दे चेंज इट. व्हेन आई साइन अ फिल्म, माय डायरेक्टर एंड द प्रोड्यूसर सेज दिस मच टाइम वी रिक्वायर टू शूट. अभी मैंने जॉली LLB किया. ही फिनिश्ड इट इन 45 डेज.
right
नाउ सुभाष जी को आप फोन करके पूछो, सुभाष जी और दिन चाहिए? अरे भाई नहीं चाहिए. जब नहीं चाहिए तो मैं क्या करूं?
जबरदस्ती थोड़ी जैसे
जबरदस्ती थोड़ी. उसी हिसाब से सर आप ये शर्ट आपने कहाँ से लिया? ये रेडीमेड है या कहीं से सिलाया आपने?
आजकल सिलवाता कौन है? हाँ रेडीमेड है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
हाँ.
लोग सिलवाते हैं.
हाँ मतलब
आप रेडीमेड लेते हैं वो अलग
हाँ,
बात
हाँ,
है.
मैं रेडीमेड लेता हूँ.
हाँ,
हाँ
लेकिन जब आप एक टेलर के पास जाते तो आप टेलर को बोलते कि मेरे को एक शर्ट सिलने का.
हाँ
तो वो बोलता है ठीक है. तो आप बोलते हैं कितना मीटर कपड़ा? 4 मीटर.
हाँ
तो आपको बोलता है अच्छा. अभी आप वही अगर टेलर आपको बोले मेरे को एक पूरा थान दे दे, तो आप वो टेलर को बोलेगा तू टेलर है या तू मेरे को पागल बना रहा है, तू बेवकूफ बना रहा है. वो बोलेगा मेरे को नहीं चाहिए थान, मेरे को 4 मीटर ही चाहिए. देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड कमर्शियलिटी ऑल्सो.
राइट
कमर्शियलिटी के हिसाब से आपका जो डायरेक्टर है, आपका जो प्रोड्यूसर है, मैं थोड़ी उनके गले में हाथ रख देता बोल देता हूँ मेरे को मैं इतना दिन से ज़्यादा नहीं दूंगा. अरे आपका पिक्चर का रिक्वायर अभी ये फिल्म क्या बोलते हैं बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ, उसमें 80 दिन 90 दिन लिया, वो फिल्म नहीं चली तो क्या उखाड़ लिया? अभी इसलिए मैं अपने फिल्म के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. देयर आर मेनी फिल्म
राइट
जो 250 दिन भी करते हैं और वो नहीं चलती है.
राइट
देयर आर मेनी फिल्म्स, जैसे हम मुंजाल की बात कर रहे थे, वो छोटे में बनती है, वो 120 करोड़ का धंधा करती है.
राइट
देयर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट. इट इज ऑल पीपल वांट टू सी कंटेंट.
राइट
People want to see your effort. People want to see what the way you have taken it, what newness you are giving. They are not interested in how much time you have spent. ये तो इन लोगों ने लिख लिख के not I'm giving any clarification, anybody can write what they want, but it is not, this is not how I think.
Right.
And it's a wrong thing. I would just tell my audience, don't think like that, and don't believe in people what they have to say. That's it.
Right. So one thing that's remarkable about your career, Akshay, is that, and I mean this in a very positive way, is that ek zamane mein, when there were like big directors like say Subhash Ghai and all these people,
Yash Chopra,
Chopra, and
Subhash Ghai.
you were never really
Karan
part of
Johar.
their movies. Maybe you did a role in Dil To Pagal Hai, etc. But but
I never had
you
those
never
films.
had.
That's what you're asking.
One is, आपने सोचा क्या कि these very 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 established directors जो खुद के नाम से pictures बनाते हैं. Subhash Ghai can make a film with newcomers at that point and it would still this thing. Why am I not part of that thing? Because when you were younger, you're probably likely to think कि like ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? अब तो you have a lot of an experience and all that. And secondly, you have
Can
managed
I
to
answer this first?
Yes.
Sir, you've seen Sarfira, sir. First time he meets Paresh Rawal. He says, come, let's collaborate. Sir, I'll work for you and we'll work together. What did Paresh Rawal say? तू अपना कर. तू कैसा चालू करेगा? सेम चीज मेरे साथ भी हुआ.
Oh.
बड़ा लोग के पास विदाउट नेमिंग एनीबडी जाते थे.
आप जाके मिलते थे?
जाता था, मिला बहुत जन को मिला.
हाँ.
नहीं लिया. तो फिर आदमी क्या करता है? बोलता है मैं खुद का बड़ा आदमी बनाएगा.
Right.
खुद का मतलब मैं नया प्रोड्यूसर नया डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करेगा. उसके साथ हिट बनाने का कोशिश करेगा. बस वही मैंने किया. इसीलिए मैंने आपको बोला मैं 26 नया लोगों के साथ काम किया. एंड तभी बड़ा बड़ा हीरोइन भी नहीं करता था काम.
Yeah.
तो नए नए लड़कियों के साथ हीरोइनों के साथ काम किया. उसके साथ बनाया. तो मैं ये जो सरफिरा का स्टोरी है
वो आपका ही है?
वो नहीं, वो कईयों का है.
हाँ.
मैं उनको यही बोलूंगा, अगर बड़े लोग आपके पास नहीं आते हैं तो उनकी भी गलती नहीं है. उन लोग ये सोचते हैं कि नहीं, यू आर नॉट केपेबल, यू कम टू आवर लीग एंड देन वी विल टेक यू.
हाँ.
एंड दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंड इन द एंड. परेश रावल गिव्स हिम अ कॉल
हाँ.
कि नाउ यू आर इन माय लीग. तो फिर मैं बोलता रख. यू रिमेंबर दैट सीन.
Right.
So it is the same thing which happens. So in my life also, my career also, things happen like this. So I don't blame those big people. They want you to come to a certain league, and they don't believe that you can deliver. So that's it.
Right.
So I will tell people that don't get disheartened. Start on your own. Push yourself. Give yourself that edge, that push, and trust me, you can do it.
Right. So when you are like, see, this is very solid life advice, right? What would you say is the key to remaining positive through all this?
Positive.
Like the Sarfara character,
Yeah.
what is because he's facing obstacle after
Trust-
obstacle or obstacle.
Trust in yourself.
Trust in yourself.
Trust in yourself. Deep inside, there is the God watching you. चाहे वो भगवान हो, अल्लाह हो, यीशु हो, गुरु बाबा हो. Trust in yourself. It is them, whomever you will believe, will give you a push. And one day it will happen that you will succeed and you will reach to a point.
Right.
And they will all look. But the only thing is trust yourself and trust your God.
Right.
That's all what I have. And just be honest. Honesty is important, which has to go, which has to be seen. And another thing which I see of a lot of people in society, talking ill about others. This is one thing which I always condemn. Till today, I have in 30 years, 33 years, I have never spoken anything about anyone bad. मैं आपको ऐसा बोलेगा, ऐसा बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर करते हैं, लेकिन मैं नाम नहीं लेने का. I always feel that you have no right to take anybody's name and put the person down.
Right.
This is also one advice I would like to tell people, that don't try and put anybody down. And politics, I'm seeing it. In my line industry, I see it. एक हीरो उस हीरो को गाली देता है, वो हीरोइन उसको गाली देता है, वो डायरेक्टर इसको गाली देता है, वो प्रोड्यूसर इस हीरो को गाली देता है. I just fail to understand, why are you all abusing each other? Just, there's so much of energy which just goes waste. It is just going waste.
Right.
This is what I believe. That's it.
Yeah. Near the end of the interview, I would like to know कि आपके करियर में आप कौन-कौन से फिल्म को do you think they are path breaking in your career that set a direction for a different thing to emerge
A
from
lot
it?
of film which flopped gave me a lot of directions.
Wow.
Because failure gives you a good direction to move from the other, to go to the other side. Because success films will always tell you to move in that same direction.
Right.
Which can lead to exhausting or being bored of that.
Right.
It's the failure films which tells you now you have to jump to the other lane. So there are many failure films of mine which has given me. In my career there has been, like recently I learned a lot from Bade Miyan Chote Miyan. I learned from my mistake of in Prithviraj, what happened exactly.
What was the mistake?
So there are mistakes. Not getting into much into it. There was few of the mistakes which were there in screenplay wise and things and all.
Right.
That.
Okay.
That's beside.
Fair
the point.
enough. Yeah.
So things teaches you.
Right. But I would have thought that when your hits happen, when a Hera Pheri happens, you're like, okay, wow, people like me in comedy. Or when a Dhadkan becomes a hit, oh, like, okay, so people are.
That is not teaching you anything. That is telling you, हाँ चलो ये करो.
पर आपको validation मिल रहा है ना?
Validation मिल रहा है, बराबर है.
हाँ.
उसमें तो कॉमन सेंस नहीं चाहिए. उसमें तो कॉमन सेंस है जरा सा इतना ही है कि मेरा कॉमेडी चला, अभी अगला पिक्चर एक और कॉमेडी साइन करते हैं. सेम थिंग गोज इज, अभी हॉरर कॉमेडी चल रहा है तो कुछ 10 प्रोड्यूसर आएंगे बोलेंगे हॉरर कॉमेडी बनाएंगे. बाहुबली चला तो अभी कुछ हम बड़ा स्केल वाला हम भी बनाएंगे. तो ये चलता है. बट कुछ जो सीखने वाला चीज होता है वो आपका फेलियर में सीखता है, मैं समझता हूँ.
हाँ, नो, आप बात सही कह रहे हैं, बट आई थॉट कि लाइक सक्सेस भी कुछ में से भी कुछ मिलेगा. दैट्स
वो तो कॉमन सेंसली सिखा ही रहा है. जब हेरा फेरी किया तो वो मेरे को बताया कि मैं कॉमेडी भी कर सकता है, तो मैंने और 3-4 कॉमेडी किया, फिर वो किया. फिर जब उसमें से 1-2 कॉमेडी नहीं चला फिर आदमी वापस आता है. सो एवरीथिंग यार, कुछ ना कहीं घुमा घुमा के सब, एवरीथिंग टीचेस यू समथिंग और द अदर.
राइट. सो बेसिकली यू आर सेइंग दैट आई नीड टू डू माय वर्क, आई नीड टू, while I'm in those 8 hours of work, full concentration.
Full concentration.
Right. And leave the rest 70% luck or whatever it is that you say.
Thank God, whatever He wants. And 30% give that 100% hard work to it.
Right. So
not 30% hard work. Give that 30%. Give 100%
of hard work. So thank you so much, Akshay. It was such a pleasure having this and conversation, and all the best for Sarfara.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Hola! Your dream vacation to Turkey starts from ₹79,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.